Don't stop searching. Does anybody understand what's in this video? These are the Twin Towers. Okay, when you bring the Twin Towers together, or if they're separated by the crosswalk is the fox. This design over here will create the fox. Remember, this is a simple design. If I can bring somebody in here that can design better than me, that would be great. If you can see in the center stands the eye. This will go to this building, and this will go to this building. One communication center, two buildings plugged into the ground, or the road that leads between the two. This is what I call the fox. 6, 6, 6, 3, 2, 3, 4 is the vibration. This will bring me over to 1, 0. This will bring me over to 0, and this will bring me to 9. Why? Because 900 seconds, okay, is 15 minutes, and that'll bring the angle to the L. If you look in Greek, which letter this is, I don't remember, alpha, beta, gamma, delta. This is gamma creation. This is one side. When we look at this, this mark over here, okay, is going to explain the letters N and the letters Z, as we see over here. To see the way this one goes this way, this one goes this way, we get N, we get DNA. This one goes this way, this one goes this way, we get Z. Okay, DNA creates the numeric value for fox, word fox. The word fox is 666. Sixth letter, 15th letter, 1 and 5 is 6, and 24th letter. We're working on the cross, not in between. We're working on the cross because we're adding. We're not multiplying. Add, multiply. AM, PM, plus, minus. Add, multiply, plus, minus, right? Because we're using it. We can do other things with this. PL, MI. MI, okay, is middle or half. PL is the spade or the shovel or to dig a hole, and it's a watering hole, because in my world, things that match in my reality is what brings me for a better understanding of the totality of what I do. We get the Y, we get the plug into the earth. Now we have the Twin Tower, which is no longer the same. Now when we design this, look what we get. We get the cube that comes between the two. Everybody knows we have the sun here and the sun here. We have to understand one other thing inside of this. Take a look at the way this shapes the pyramid right over here. But at the same time, we now have the completion, which is the cube right over here. Y, the 25th letter, is also B and E. The second letter and the fifth letter also will stand for the key. 2, 5, and the 25th letter, same key. Breaking and entering, 7, 10, and 25. 2 times 5, 2 plus 5 equals 10 and 7. Jesus Christ, the gateway. The separation to the opening of a single moon. Here you see the sunshine. We see the passages. I'm not really sure. We also see OVO. 646. Representation DC. V. 22nd letter, 2 and 2 is 4. 15th letter, 1 and 5. 1 and 5 is 646. 24, 34, and 34. The total is 68. The separation is 7th gate inside of DC. When we duplicate this, right, we now get 8x8 inside of this. You see, because of the duplication, we flip the V upside down. Now we get the 24th letter. We get 868. 868. Same thing. We have the star system that connects the 2. And now you see the star key coming to the 2. This will now create the pound key that is found to the right. The star key to the left, the pound to the right. The 666 is the vibration between 1 and 5, the 15th letter. The 15th letter is the O, and in O, the X marks the spot, the 24th letter. 15th letter, 24th letter, 369. Inside that. How else can we go to this? This will be a 40 and 12, 52 and 38. 38 representing the church or CNH. 52 representing the key to Earth. Let's take it away. Let's leave it at that. There's probably a whole lot more. Raphael, 7286 and a constellation of Pegasus. But wait 1 second. I want to bring a little bit more. Since we have 14 and 26, to bring this to the one world spirit, we need to have 0 and 6 or 9 and 6. 9 plus 1 is 10 equals 1. 6 and 4 is 10. 9 and 6 rotation. We want to bring it to Lovejoy, which is the connecting planets. I don't know how it works. It's the pig's pregnancy, which means connecting to the sky because of 333. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 0, 30 creation, or 39. 9 and 4 is 13. 1 and 3 is 4. 39, the representation of the letter for Ciel. Saturn is number 93. Herbert Hoover, the 31st president, creates artificial intelligence, but it brings me up to 93 because 93 is the road that goes over to Hoover Dam. And that's how I end up connecting all these numbers. Inside 26, we want to bring, we didn't do the 77 here. Did we do the 7? No. In order to get this, we need number 63, and there's a number representing 11 in 63. 11 is your representation of your H and I in your high heaven, because here's your 11 on each side. And in one of my designs I did yesterday, okay, it will create AHA because of my 2 designs yesterday, in which inside these designs we didn't see the bottom in one and we didn't see the top. Actually, it goes that's the way the design was, like that. 1A was down. Let me do this again. 1A was down, 1A was up. There was a 1 on each side of these, right? And this 1 comes together from each side, split to the gateway. 1 will create the AU. I don't know how that works, but A plus U, 8 minus U equals 220 and 23. These numeric values, all zeros will equal to 6, will now equal to this number. The totality of minus is 3 creation. The addition is 49. The 7th gate. 7 times 7, 49. 7 plus 7, 14, and back to the first number we started with. I know it seems like a mishmash, but this is what it is. We're going to go to 2 and 6, and we're going to do this again, 2 and 6. No, we didn't finish with 1 and 4. That was 63. So we ended up with 14. To bring it back to 1, we need 96. To bring it to 4, we need 39. To bring it to 7, we need 63. 936, 639. Bringing this one together. To bring number 26 together, to bring it to number 1, it is minus 1 minus 5. Mars. 1 and 5, 6, 2 and 6, 8, split by the 7th gate. We add 8 and we add 4 to create 10, 10. 8 and 2 is 10, 6 and 4 is 10, 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0. 2 minus 1 is 1, 6 minus 5 is 1. 84 is Pluto, also represents the sun, S-O-N. Now you bring this, now we bring it to the 4th world, minus 2, plus 2, minus 2, or to bring this up to the 4th world, 7 and 6 and 2 and 2 creates number 27. Win a big red sun. At the same time, now we want, because 7 and 6 is 13, 1 and 3 is 4, 2 and 2 is 4. So the minus plus we get over here. The difference is 4. Over here, we're counting 2 and 2 is 4, 7 and 6 is 13, 1 and 3 is 4. So now here we have 8, and here we have the difference of 4, and here we have our 84 again. Now we bring it to the 7th gate, we get 51, 5 and 2, 6 and 1. Again, we hit Mars. Now we want to bring it, we brought it to the 1 world, we brought it to the 4 world. So in the 4 world, it's 38. The church, 3, excuse me. The 4 world will be 2 and 7. The 7 world will be 5 and 1, and the 1 world will be 8 and 4. So in Pluto is Mars when a big red sun. 714258. Take a look at your telephone or calculator. The passing on the cross is this way. When you add up these two worlds together, 7 and 9, 15, 1 and 5 is 6. 7 and 5 is 12, 1 and 2 is 3, 7 and 2 is 9. 4 and 8 is 12, 1 and 2 is 3. 4 and 5 is 9, 4 and 2 is 6. 1 and 2 is 3, 1 and 5 is 6, 1 and 8. So this 2 and 6 will create your 3, 6, 9 creation rotation and the energy and the power. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching this video.